Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while I haven't uploaded anything about cars, so I'm super excited to share with you a video about a brand new car, actually just been released, and we're having the delivery, actually should arrive within the next 5-10 minutes, so I'm super excited to show it to you. But we're going to be driving over the next couple of days one of the latest GT. I can't really tell more. But stay tuned, and I hope you're going to enjoy the test drive, the review, and we're going to be shooting the car outside in the countryside in a pretty cool setting over the next few days. So you're going to have all the behind the scene, you're going to see more about that shoot, but that's going to be a really cool lifestyle shoot for that car brand, so stay tuned. So here is the brand new GT, freshly delivered straight from factory in a really nice burgundy color. So guys, let's discover the car together. Here is the brand new Continental GT. Look at the color, tell me what you think. I haven't seen it yet in that color, but it looks pretty cool to me. Look at the interior. Bentley details over there. In love with this interior, look at the steering wheel. Such a nice interior. Hey guys, we're here in a very exciting place today. As you can see, a car park, pretty empty car park, so not the most exciting place actually, but we're gonna get cool shot, sort of starting shot. Dom is here, he's the master for the video.
So this is one of the few car parks in London, I think, where there are no cars.
Yeah.
So we want to start this kind of urban feel to it. Louis is going to be going to play golf. You probably know that already because you probably watched the video. So we're going to do Louis arriving in the car with the Bentley Golf clubs, which is kind of important.
There's the man filming, setting up. One key new thing from the new GT is, that's why we're sort of filming that, is you can actually fit full golf club sets with the bag. Those are actually sort of carbon from Bentley. Something we haven't mentioned, I haven't played golf. I mean, last time I played was actually a couple of months ago in Santa Barbara in California, but before that it was probably 8 years. So it's going to be interesting to go back. Hope it's going to work out and not like destroy too much of the field. The new GT sort of diamond cut on all the gear stick and everything. But let's start. So you start the car here. Nice. Flip it here and back, and you have all the function from really nice large screen for the sat nav. All the different, I'm not sure you can see it, but like you have these IAL cameras to see exactly where you are. So in terms of like protecting the car, it's really nice. And then when you shut down the car, look at that. Nice and clean.
Last time you were driving this was in Austria, but we had the two, didn't we?
Yes,
there was that red.
Orange flame with the brown interior, tan leather, brown interior, which was also really nice. I think this one is definitely more sort of city, urban, traffic from London.
You got to be careful with these around town though.
Nice detail, reminding you that you're driving actually a W12.
And you've driven both. We had that grey one.
Yeah.
Of the previous versions. That was a 2016, and then the Supersport in LA, right?
Which was, it was a 2018 model, but from the previous generation, and it was an incredible car to drive. Like the fastest supercar, the fastest GT 4-seater in the world.
Wow.
710 or 20 horsepower.
Of all GT, not just of every
the
GT.
Fastest. I mean, that's how they describe it. The fastest 4-seater in the world.
Wow.
So I guess soon we're going to have also super sports from that.
Of this, yeah. I think it might need to be a bit more of an angle so you're a bit more square on to us. So down on the right, yeah. Yeah, and then back it up about down on your left a little bit.
So you can choose different sort of views, which is pretty cool. But that over the top views, it's pretty useful, especially in a car park like that.
And then you kind of pop the boot,
yeah,
and then
opening that boot.
Just this shot of you pulling out, going down the ramp. Then we'll wrap this and move on.
And yeah, second part of the shoot, which is actually the main part and the exciting bit, which is me playing golf. The other thing characteristic of this golf course is the 18th hole. We meant to take a little boat.
Oh, really?
To the, yeah. So that could be quite nice as a video if you do the 18.
That's good.
Because you need to cross with a little...
oh right, that's cool.
Yeah.
Do you have to row yourself?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. But they have their whole golf collection, and the main characteristic is that their golf clubs and their golf bag, which is really nice. You're gonna see, and you probably have seen from we shot yesterday, is fit actually in the boot of the new Continental GT. So you know you can be in one of the fastest GT with your kids at the back, go for like a weekend getaway, and still play golf and have, you know, all your golf bag, shoes, plus 1 or 2 suitcases. So it's quite impressive how much you can fit in that boot, actually. Hey guys, I'm sitting in the new GT right now, heading to, as we said earlier, I left Dom, he's in the other crew car, and we heading to Brocket Hall, the golf course I was talking about. I just wanted to share with you, let me turn off a bit the music, I just wanted to share with you a bit how it feels to drive the car. I've now been working with Bentley since more than a year, so I had the chance to drive the previous one, the previous GT, both the V8 and the Super Sport version, which is a W12 710 horsepower, which was pretty amazing to drive, from exhaust sounds to response and performance of the car. So now we are in the 2018 new GT. Main difference beside the interior that you probably have seen, I wanted to share with you more how it feels to drive the car. The car feel, even though I think it's slightly heavier, the car feel much more agile. Okay, so we're trying to figure out where to meet, where the clubhouse is. Henry, our photographer, is already there, waiting for us on location. But here's a quick preview of the golf course, the practice over there. How are you doing, guys?
Recce time.
Recce time.
His buggy doesn't want to get
Is he
up the
gonna
hill.
go forward like
I'll push it.
The buggy is struggling a bit, guys, so Tom has to push for it.
Bit further away, please, mate. Stop there, guys. Thank you. A little left. Nice. We could definitely do some more of these side on side. We could get even closer to him, actually. What we'll do is we'll start moving, and then you're going to then approach us, but then just accelerate, go straight past us. How's your week going, mate?
Good.
This is when you go straight into a bunker. We've done all the golf stuff. We're just gonna wrap the video with the scene of you arriving.
So we're shooting now, we at the end of the shoot, but we're actually shooting the beginning.
Yeah, exactly. Shoot the beginning.
And then changing outfit,
and then do all
getting
the
stills.
So more stage
hopefully
stills,
some sort
and then
of
some night shots.
Sunset. I'm not sure it's gonna be sunset, but... Okay, let's go, guys.